Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to make a very easy and quick side dish for your meal. It is garlic flavored beetroot fry. I'm taking 3 beetroots and a garlic for this. We need to peel the beetroots, wash them, and then chop them in thin slices like this. You may even chop them in shapes similar to French fries. Beetroots are a great source of iron, fiber and many other healthy nutrients. Hence, try to have them in different ways and with different tastes when they are in season. I have also shared many other beetroot recipes on this channel and you can find the playlist for all those videos in the description box below and also towards the end of this video. So make sure to stick to the very end. After beetroots, I will also chop the garlic. Now heating up a pan and adding mustard oil. You can use any oil, ghee or butter that you like. Once oil is heated up, adding pinch of salt. You can even replace this with cumin seeds or mustard seeds. Now adding the garlic and will allow them to cook properly. Once garlic starts becoming a little golden in color, I will add the beetroot. Adding salt as per taste. Pinch of turmeric powder. And pinch of homemade cumin powder. Give everything a good mix. Cover with a lid and allow to cook in low flame. Keep checking the beetroots every 2 to 3 minutes. And once they are properly cooked, and become soft, remove the lid and allow them to roast a little from outside so that its taste enhances. Now here we have our side dish ready to be served. So that was all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.